Now we have talked about generics. Why do we need generics? The advantages of using generics, and some of the types of generics we have discussed. We have created one generic type class using stack class. So now let us discuss some more generics. Let us discuss about some generic type methods with the help of one example. Now I have one function here. I have created one class. I have one function count occurrence. What does this function do is that it returns the number of times that item count occurs in the list. So this item counts how many times it occurs in the list, it returns that number. Now as we can see, so this code, it's working only for the type string here. So we need generics now because we need not define it for different objects that many times. So now making this, recreating it, this method using generics, we get to write a single method only definition that will work for objects of any type. So as you know, what we'll do is we'll just replace this string with type parameter t so that it can be used for any type of object. But here we are going to use t parameter to make it a generic method like this. So this, if we use this t parameter with its angle brackets, now this is called a generic method. Now here also we are going to replace everywhere string with the type parameter t. It's not necessary that you write t only, you can name anything else also. So this is our generic method. Now we have used type t parameter so that it can be used for any object, not only for string. Now if we have one, now if you call this function, see here, count occurrences. So word list word, if word list is a variable of type string array and word is a variable of type string, then this will count the number of times that this word it will occur in the word list. Okay, so this same method now can be used if we have this color as a variable of type color, and this color is a type of type color. Color is some class. Then it can be used for this also. Another example is that if we have integer array like this, we have numbers, integer array numbers 12, 13, 14, and I want to use this method for finding the occurrence of 17 in this list. So it will count the occurrence of 17 in this list of numbers. So now it can be used for a color class, can be used for integer, can be used for string. So this method can be used, has become generic now and can be used for any type of object. So this is an example of generic type of method. You can learn more about generic type arrays and constructor in the same way on your own. And so this is all about generics in Java. And also we have finished with this topic, we have finished the Java introductory tutorial for beginners, for basic Java course for big data. So if you have any queries, you can post it in our question and answer section, or you can mail us at bigdatatrunk@gmail.com. Thank you.